Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I bring you a new project called Major Stars. Now, these Major Stars were launched by Telegram community, by the Telegram team by themselves, and the project is all about promoting these stars, Telegram stars, right? So if you already know Telegram, you know that you can pay with things with your stars, you can buy stars with money, and then use those stars to get benefits, bonus, to buy other things inside the Telegram app. So this Telegram stars is basically an airdrop to distribute free of all these stars, right? To distribute it to players that mine this airdrop, and those stars can now later be converted to money after it is being launched. And then I had an information very recently that this Telegram stars is going to be launched this month, October. So Major Star is going to be launched this month, just few weeks to the end of Major Star. If you have not started, it's all fine, you can get started right now. The link will be in the description of this video. I'm going to show you the tutorial step by step on how to farm Major Stars, right, and get up to $200, $500 from this airdrop just with your smartphone, your Telegram, and just doing simple tasks on your phone. So without any further ado, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram or airdrops videos and how to make money online. And let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so if you click on the link in the description, it will bring you right here to the major page. So I click on open major now. We're going to load up the page, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how to farm this major challenge, major star. So as you can see, first thing it says take your daily bonus. So every day I'm in day 9 right now, and after 10 days it goes back, start again from day 1. So I'm in day 9, I'm claiming 2,500 stars, major star. So as you can see, this is my balance here, and then this is my rank, and this is my rating. So I have 790k major stars. I'm in 1.9 million rank. So what I think you have to do to farm this project, first thing is go to earn. Now you go to earn, you can see there are daily tasks. So promote ton blockchain. This one requires ton. If you have, I think, 0.2 ton every day. If you have 0.2 ton, you can be doing this one. They will give you 20k stars. Then star purchase, you buy stars from the Telegram stars. They will give you extra stars, 50k every day. But for these two, I don't have, they require money, so I'm not doing it. But if you have money, you can do it to boost your points. So what I just do is this one. From here, I follow Major in Telegram. So I click on it. I click on subscribe. I remain subscribed, so I just go back. Then I check subscription. Then it adds it. You have successfully completed this task. Next one, share in Telegram stories. So I click on it. I click on share. It will open Telegram story. Then I'll share their page, their post on my story, a post story. Then I check tax. I've earned 5,000 points. Then this one, turn channels, subscribe also. I already subscribed, so I'll just go back and check, and then it has added. Now for this one, that is boost major channel. This one is if you have premium, I think. See, for premium, Telegram premium. I don't have Telegram premium, so it will not work. Then invite more friends. So you can invite in. Don't be inviting friends every day. They'll be giving you. Then boost Rocksman channel is also fighting for Telegram premium. Now this one time tax. So as you complete your daily tax, you complete this ones to watch YouTube video. So they just bring new YouTube videos, some partnerships, like join this channel, be this projects. I don't think it will work now, but you will see some that will work, and you claim your points. Now you will come to games. That's the first thing. The second thing is come to games. You can see there are games, collect free rewards every day. The first thing is the major puzzle. I click on play. This is a puzzle. I'm going to show you how to get some of these things, especially for this puzzle. If you want to be getting the daily combo of this my puzzle, you can join you can join my WhatsApp group. On the link will be in the description. It's for free. So if you join my WhatsApp group, I used to post this personally on my group every day. So you just click the correct puzzle, then you check, and to give you 5,000. So I've not yet done it for now. Then this old coin is simple. When you play on it, all you need to do is hold this star. You hold it down for like 1 minute and it counts. So because of time, I'm not going to hold it to the end. So after 1 minute, you claim your point. Let me go back. The next one, roulette. When you click on play, it's a spin. It's like a wheel. So if I click tap to spin, it will roll and then to give me whatever points I get. So I'm getting 500 points. So that is basically. And for these games, guys, it's every day. You come back and get it every day. And this last one, swipe coin. So this one, you just swipe on the screen and end points. You swipe, you have 1 minute to swipe. So whatever you earn in 1 minute, that's it. Because of time, I'm not going to wait for a 1 minute so that this video will not be too long. So I'll go back. So basically, come every day to play these games, guys, and also every day for these daily tasks. And then also, if you invite friends, you can get more points too. And then that's basically it. So that's basically it. As you can see, I've gotten up to 800k major points. So guys, that's basically the tutorial for major stars. Very simple. Log in every day, collect your daily reward, right? Play the games, right? And do the daily tasks that's right there. And also invite friends if you can. Very simple. And another thing that I heard that if you don't log in every day, if you are not consistent with your major, they will be reducing your points. So make sure you log in every day to make sure you keep increasing your points so that your point doesn't reduce. And also I saw a pre-market price for major this morning and I'll post it on the screen. I think Bybit or BitGet already posted major pre-market price at 0.013. I'm not sure. I'll post the screenshot on the screen. So make sure, and I said they're going to launch this month. So there's no time to waste. If you have not started, make sure you start. And if you have started before but you are not serious with it, take it more seriously. And that will be the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more crypto updates, airdrop videos. And also join my WhatsApp group. I have a free community on WhatsApp where we post updates before I have time to make this video. People already posted the updates, of new airdrop where you can get started early and get updated. And without any further ado, watch this video. If you have not started Bloom is the next big thing. Bloom is launching this month, October too. So watch this video about Bloom. And Bloom is one of the biggest airdrops too on Telegram right now. If you have not started or you want to learn more about Bloom, watch this video and I will see you in the next one.